Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. This week's Divi tutorial is a code snippet. It's PHP and it will allow you to enable the Divi Builder and exit the Divi Builder by using the escape key on your keyboard. So if you're like me, you like keyboard shortcuts, it can really save a lot of time and be very convenient. So the code is simply, it makes it so that when you're viewing the page, when you're logged in, you can hit the escape key and it comes into the builder and then exits the builder when you hit it again. I also have this in Divi Assistant as a feature, so I'll show you that as well. All right, just click the link in the description from YouTube. You'll come over here and you will need that to get the code. I do have instructions about where to add PHP code if you're not familiar with that, but please be careful with PHP code. As you know, one wrong move can break your site and it's not fun. So do that carefully, do it exactly like it says. You can copy it right here. And if I'm in my builder or wherever you put in the code, that could be in your child theme. I'm going to do it right here in Divi Assistant. So I have Divi Assistant code editor enabled. So I'm just going to paste that code right there and save. All right, now, I took my hand off the mouse. Now I'm going to hit the escape key on my keyboard. And you can see it's loading the page and the builder. And then I'm going to just hit it again because I'm done now and I want to exit the builder. Now the other method, if you're not comfortable using code or you just don't want to, or you already have Divi Assistant, it kind of makes sense if you already have it. Just a setting. So over here, I had the code helper enabled there. For this, it's in the utility helper and the visual builder. So it's actually the first item right there. I can just enable this. Now, I don't want to have this enabled if I already have the code. You don't want to have code and a setting because they're going to be competing and doing the same thing, and that will not be good. I could go get rid of that code, but you know what it's going to do. It's going to do the same thing. I'm just showing you that you could just enable the setting and save your changes, and it's that simple when you're using Divi Assistant. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Quite simple and convenient. And obviously, if you're not using Divi Assistant, check it out. At the time of this recording, there's 119 main features, and that just keeps growing. It's crazy, and we have so many more plans for it. It's exciting. It's kind of becoming the ultimate Divi plugin, and we love hearing feedback from you. Things like this example, features that people request and we put into the plugin. So I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to like and subscribe. A lot of our viewers here are not subscribed, and I do tutorials literally every week. So if you subscribe, you'll just get a tutorial like this. All right, we'll see you in the next video.